guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Azure Form Recognizer. Our focus is first we'll understand what is Form Recognizer, what are the types available in the Form Recognizer, what are the different options available to implement this feature into our application, and how quickly we can analyze our document using Azure Form Recognizer Studio. Finally, one quick demo. First, focus on what is Azure Form Recognizer. Azure Form Recognizer is one of the type in Azure Cognitive Service. The main focus on Azure Form Recognizer is a service that uses ML model to extract data from your document. This extracted data is contain the key value pair and it's return those results using the JSON output. To analyze it, this document is classified into three different types. One is a document analysis model, second one is pre-built model, finally custom model. This model classified into further types. Document analysis model is classified into three types: read model, layout model, general document model. Like pre-built model contain different category: invoice, receipt, ID document, business card model. You can choose the pre-built model. Finally, custom model. If these two model not fit for your document, you can choose this custom model. You can generate your own model and analysis. If it is fit, then you can start using into your application. Next, we'll move on to available option, Azure Form Recognizer. There are four varieties available. One is a Form Recognizer Studio, second AI Builder, Logic Apps, finally API and SDK. In this video, I'm just focused on Azure Form Recognizer Studio. So what is Form Recognizer Studio? Form Recognizer Studio is an online tool for visually exploring, understanding, and integrating feature from the Form Recognizer service into your application. This tool provides some pre-trained model also. Using this tool, you can analyze your document. You get the proper result. After that, you can start using into your application. We'll jump into the quick demo how to use Form Recognizer Studio. Before starting this demo, some of the prerequisites needed. First one is you need Azure subscription. Second, you have to create or use some existing resources, whether that resource single service or multi-service, doesn't matter. Some resources is needed. We'll move on to the web page. We'll see how to use this tool. So as I mentioned, this is Applied AI Service. It's one of the type in Azure Cognitive Service. This is a URL, Azure Form Recognizer.appliedai.azure.com Studio. Form Recognizer Studio is classified, as I mentioned earlier, three types. Here you can see the document analysis, pre-built model, finally custom model. Again, document analysis model classified into three types: read, layout, general document. When to choose which model? That information properly written here. For example, if you take the read model, your document contain extracted, printed and handwritten text from images and document. You can choose this read model. Your document contains some form information or table information. Here you can see the checkbox, forms, and other document information. You can choose this model, layout model. General document contains other information. Let's say, for example, name, dates, and amounts from the document. You can choose this model. Like that, pre-built model further divided into some other category. For example, invoice report, identify document ID card, business card information, some health insurance card. This is a W2, this is a tax information form, US based, and the vaccine card information. So you can choose this one. Your document not fit for these two category. As I mentioned here, document analysis, pre-built model. You can choose this custom model also. You can upload your own document and you can analyze it here. And there is a settings available. You can choose here which resource you want to use. So you can add, if you want to add multiple resources, you can add it. You have to choose your subscription. If you have multiple subscription, you can choose it. Some other information. Go back to the Form Recognizer Studio. Quickly, we'll see one demo using this layout model. So if I click this layout, it get open, and they provide some sample. For example, first one is a news, second one is some other document contain the table and other amount information available. Finally, layout checklist also available. So some checkbox and some information. We can use this model and analysis. And here you can see the text results code information. So the code is classified. They're given three types: Python, JavaScript, C Sharp, result, content. At the moment, there is no information, this content and the result, because we not yet started this analysis, this document. We'll start analysis. If you click the here one, this analysis all means all the documents should get analysis. Or you want to only focus on particular document, you can just click this analysis button. Running analysis layout checklist. So this document get start analysis. Quickly we see the result. So the title, documents to store and share. This is a title and paragraph, and one it contains the one page. So the first text we get this information. If you will move to the second option, table. This table complete table information get extracted here. So even checkbox, click, some not click, some other information. The complete information is available. Finally, selection mark. This is a new feature in Azure Form Recognizer 3.0. Here you can see this checkbox is checked or not. That scores also available. So the first checkbox is not selected. So not selected. If you click here, not selected. So confident 99.50, but here is 100% not clicked. Like that. Second checkbox selected. So all the checkbox information also available here. The next one is the result tab. Is a JSON output. The complete document extracted and put into the key value pair in the JSON output format. We'll talk about more further videos, this information. Finally, code tab. You want to use this feature in your application, Python or maybe C Sharp or JavaScript. You can just copy this code, paste in the application. You can start use of it. This is a complete overview of the form recognizer. In later videos, we'll learn more about this topic.